What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video.
And today we're going to be making
slime! Let's get right into this
and open this thing up. So when you first open it up, there's these two cups. I'm pretty sure we each get one, and then two bowls, one for me, one for her. And this is the clear glue. The glitters.
making purple.
Another little cup for, I think,
and paint.
glue. Yeah, paint. Slime activator.
And a little tiny spoon with a little bit of glitter. And then three
popsicle sticks.
And
And then two lids, one for me, one for her. And yeah, I assume Miley knows what to do.
Yeah, but we need to find the glue. So we put it in.
Wait. How much?
A little bit. You just
I don't know how to make slime. I think how much glue you put in is how much. Stop.
Put it in until
Stop.
it fills the whole entire bowl.
No.
The whole entire bottom.
No.
You don't need to as much as me. Okay, that's enough.
It's so clear.
Okay, and then
I don't know what to do.
more than 20, right?
20 millimeters. Okay.
Oh, it's gonna be hard.
Go to the 20. Okay. So we got it at 20.
Millimeters.
And then you pour it in. And then
You could do yours.
here, I'll do mine in a second. Then you want purple glitter, right?
Yeah, let me do it.
Then you pour half of the bag of glitter in your slime. And then mix it around with your
That enough?
stick. Maybe a little more.
Whiskey.
Then you take your slime activator, then
You number 5.
you have to squeeze it.
I can't squeeze it hard enough.
Here, you hold it, I'll do it. Let me do it. Oh, I think there's a cap on it.
So pour it in.
Now mix.
And we're whisking. And whisking. Oh, is this slime now? Not really.
It's turning into slime. It tastes still transferring.
Spider-Man. I do look.
Doing whatever a spider can't.
Look. Spider-Man.
That's so weird.
Is it slime now?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Mix it around. Is it sticky?
No?
That's what
I want more glitter.
you got slime, Miley.
Yeah. Oh, still. Yeah. Oh my.
So
I think I
sparkly.
broke my slime. Okay, messed up my slime, so I'm gonna add more glue.
Oh, pussy.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
That should be good. Then just mix.
Bad man, bad man.
All you need to do is mix it a lot. Then you get this awesome.
I gotta restart my home task line. Just kidding. Oh, it's so cool.
I'm mixing mine like how people do with Laffy Taffy.
It makes you mine like regular people. I killed my hand.
I can do this for hours. Epic fail. This is a huge. Okay, mine's actually starting to come together now.
I don't see you guys. Bad. Now I'm just gonna keep like doing this, but actually it looks really cool.
Okay, mine's coming off now.
So it looks really cool with like the purple sparkle jump rope for babies. Oh, mine is working.
Mine is too now.
It's actually slime now.
Okay,
Slime now.
It's so. So not sticky anymore.
So cool. Big giant blob. Oh, I see the slime guy. The slime guy from Ghostbusters. We all said, I never knew he had a bullet.
Look at it.
I'm trying not to get it stuck to the ceiling.
That'd be terrible.
Yeah. So our slimes turned out perfectly, but they're both still sticky. And Aiden's still trying to attack it off. Hello?
Hello.
It's just so focused.
So thanks for watching.
We hope you like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.
So if you liked this video and you want to watch our other ones, click over here.
And if you haven't already subscribed, click over here.
And if you want to check out our social media, click up there.
And ride safely.
And always wear a helmet.